Hello everyone, welcome to How to Dots. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can fix your Instagram account suspended and user not found. So, firstly, I need to say you no worries about this because this is technical problem. But if you want to do this, so you can do you can follow some step. So, uh, you must uninstall your Instagram first, okay, and then go to Play Store, and then you just install Instagram again, and after that, um, go to settings and go to app management or app. So you will find this option in setting and go to app list, and here search Instagram. Instagram, then click here, and then go to storage uses and do clear data, or maybe in your phone it's like storage case or clear case. So just click on this two option and your data will be removed, and after that go to your Instagram account and now log in. Okay, so after that, if you face that user is not found or suspended, then restart your device and go to Play Store again and search here. I am saying this is technical problem, but there are a lot of things here. You should Instagram Lite. Okay, so it is similar to, so install it and just try to log in uh, by your password and user Instagram Lite. I hope you can log in Instagram Lite, and no worries, as soon as possible your problem will be solved. This is technical problem. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching this tutorial.